Dito.
So guys, we bought a new Jeepney 2024 model in red metallic color. So kasi naka-cover pa siya lahat. So Jeepney 2024. Ito na pala yung plastic sa passenger side. Ngayon pupunta na tayo sa likod. So step by step, moving yung plastic. Brand new guys. See, even the matting with plastics. So kanina tinanggal ko na yung sa front passenger, rear passenger side. Dito na tayo sa rear passenger, rear driver side, sa rear seats. So isa natin yung plastic. Guys, ang sarap ng feeling. Yan ito rito. Ay, guarterize siya. So nakaipit lang siya eh. So nakaipit. Guarterize. Ito medyo nakaipit siya rito. Siguro natin punitin yung plastic. So ito na guys. Tanggal na natin yung plastic. Second level. Ito na. So, sabitan natin ito. So, yun guys. Tapos na yung sandalan. Then, dito na tayo sa driver side. Kailangan natin tanggalin buo pa ito. So, one set pala ito, bali. Okay. Ito, grabe talaga naka-cover siya. Tama naman, no? Wala siyang garters open, so you have to really break the plastic para ma-remove natin to. So guys, ito pala yung butas. So meron na siyang abang. So kailangan mo lang talaga i-remove. So there is already specific so that you can plug this one sa butas sa. So yun. So guys, yan perfectly aligned na. It's already perfectly aligned and clipped properly. Now you can attach this straight away. Back. So is it perfect? Like it's not perfect, but ganun. So guys, ito lahat yung bags, plastic bags that we removed from the seats. And then because it's already removed when we put the tint. So anyway, instead of construction stickers, so meron tayong something like this. So it's all mentioned, the model number, model year, car model, and then fuel economy, and then you have the transfer case. So how to use transfer case, yung 4-wheel drive niya. Then we have a lot of manuals here. So manuals in different language. So different language siya. Yeah. And then ito yung pre-delivery inspection natin nung dineliver dito. Yan. So check. So it's from India. So made in India to guys. Suzuki is made in India. Even though it's a Japanese car, but it's assembled, manufactured in India. So guys, yan yung likod niya pala. So yung pinto niya with hydraulic. So when you open and close, it's kind of like, kala mo automatic siya. It's not. It's just because of this. Guys, put natin yan, ha. So it's newly tinted. So meron pa tayong sticker to open the window. So yan yung likod niya. Maluwag na siya compared to two doors Jeepney. And in front, so I already put my personalized matting. Siya. Wala, ito yung buttons nung rear window power switch. So dito siya sa gilid. And then for the driver, it's here. For the passenger, siya guys. So we have meron tayong glove box dito. Ay, meron pa tayong marami pa pala tayo rito ano. So yung certificate natin ng tint, it's protected by 3M. So ito yung English manual warranty. So warranty booklet natin, containment system manual, and the owner's manual in English. And we also have Arabic kasi this is a GCC specs car. So meron tayong Arabic. So manual. So we'll keep it aside then. And the 3M. So tago na natin yung Arabic na yan. So yan siya guys. Have a closer look in front natin. So with LED headlight, fog light is halogen with the new design grille. So it comes with Bridgestone tire. So 2023 production ng tire natin. So with 195 ATR 15 with the stock wheel, stock height. So maybe by next month, umorder na tayo ng kit, lift kit. So tataas natin ito ng around 1.5 to 2 inches I think. So umorder tayo ng Jeho suspension. So watch out for next month. So red metallic siya. As you can see, masyadong visible yung metallic. Maybe visible yung metallic sa sunlight, pero hindi masyadong kita rito. Yun siya. So with two-tone color, black proof. So chimney, gold grip, clutch. The main difference between Asian or GCC specs, ito it comes with rear fog, so defogger. Try natin yun para. So the rear defog is saan ba? Saan nga ba yung switch na rear defog dito? Ito pala. Yun. Yun siya, rear fog. So rear fog, as you can see, meron siyang ilaw dito, rear fog. So yun yung difference sa Middle East specs compare sa, I think, sa India or especially sa Philippines, sa Asia. So wala siyang rear fog. So sa Asia, reverse light lang to. Dito, isa lang ang reverse light natin, yun lang sa kabilang side. So halogen yung plate light, halogen lahat except sa headlight. A headlight is LED. So side mirror is automatic na siya ngayon. So pull siya automatic. And then yung rear sensor natin, meron siyang on and off. So you can off, turn it off kung medyo naiirita ka sa sound. Pwede mo naman din siyang i-off at i-on. So steering wheel comes with all buttons. So volume controls, cruise control, calls, voice call. So everything with indicators, indicator with rear fog, fog light, and headlight. So halogen lahat, so including dome light, halogen both. And then so fuel ano niya pala ito, button if you wanna refuel. So Then, standard, dito lagi. Pagbukas ng bonnet. So, we go to the engine now. The engine is 1.5 liter with 110 horsepower. Sasabi nila yan. So, the engine is brand new. So, ABS, brake booster, wiper washer, reservoir tank, visible na visible. So, coolant, radiator, a very small battery. 1 SM ata ito. So, computer box natin nasa labas na din. Zero box na ba ito? Zero box. So, I load the fuse box. Ito lang fuse box natin. So, yan siya guys. 2024 engine, same as the previous model, 2-door, same engine, nothing change. Siya guys. Follow, yan. Naka-open yung pag natin. So, pag the rear lights. Rear lights. Rear lights. So yun guys. See you on the next vlog. So soon nakalip na tayo next month.